Did you know the sudden shift from offline to online learning due to the global pandemic in 2020 has not only reshaped the educational landscape, but also led to a new digital era where we had to embrace a new learning environment. And while the digital realm has brought numerous benefits for all of us, it has also raises challenges to students' academic integrity. Well, good morning, my esteemed educator, my advisor, parents, and also my fellow classmates. My name is Florencia Dalia from grade 12 social class, and I am going to be speaking to you all about the effect of online school on students' academic integrity. So you may be all familiar with the term academic integrity, right? It basically means that acting in a way that is honest, fair, respectful, and responsible in all of your academic studies. This means that you are not allowed to commit dishonesty, such as cheating in tests, maybe copying from other students' work, or plagiarism, and many more. And back to the topic, you all have heard of the 2020 COVID-19 pandemic, right? It has to be one of the most shocking news that you may have heard. Everything was very hectic, and schools had to shift from offline to online learning. And we students have to embrace a new learning environment where we are not allowed to meet face to face. And we had to utilize the technology that we have, which is Zoom and Google Meet, where these advanced technologies has helped us students to still get our education despite the difficult situations. This proves that technology has helped difficult situations a bit more bearable. So even if our technology right now is very advanced, it no doubt can lead to students to commit dishonesty. Maybe they want to commit these dishonesty for various reasons, which leads me to my research question: how do online schools affect students' academic integrity? As a researcher, I aim to raise awareness about the excessive use of technology, especially AI, as well as creating an honest environment. The development and advancement of technology has presented challenges, particularly when it comes to integrity. This is due to the shift from offline to online, since since the online learning environment changes on how educators teach and how we students learn. So, to support my reasoning and evidence, I conducted a questionnaire to all Mawar Sharon students, and I have gathered 61 respondents and also interviewed 2 teachers, one from Mawar Sharon Christian School and one from Santa Maria School. And I put many questions in the questionnaire, but I will only speak to you 3 key points. So, more than half of the respondents say that the transition from offline to online learning has, as well as the advancement of technology, has been the main reason on why students commit academic dishonesty. This is because that they lose sight of the purpose of learning and decided to use technology as assistant and to do their assignments without doing it themselves. And this leads them to be not independent in doing their own task. Another common reason from experts that I interviewed is due to the pressure from parents to get good grades. And this leads to students using technology and maybe AI so that they can satisfy their parents' demands. Secondly, most of the respondents somewhat often rely on technology to do their assignments. This is because the technology that we have right now is very advanced, and it offers instant access to information and resources which students can study from since some of the materials on the internet may not be available in their traditional textbooks. Since academic dishonesty has become a concern to many, I believe that implementing study programs teaching about the importance of integrity will help teach students to make having integrity as a habit. The question is, what topics should be covered in these study programs? And most of the respondents say that critical thinking should be covered. And this means that it is crucial for these study programs to teach about critical thinking so that students can know how to think critically when doing their assignments or doing assessments on their own, so that they don't rely on technology for help. So to answer my research question, I can conclude that the majority of the respondents agree that the transition from offline to online learning, as well as the advancement of technology, is the main reason on the decline of academic integrity. This is because it disrupts the image of honesty within students due to the common factors, which is the advancement of technology. If students don't exercise academic integrity, it will highly have a long-term effect on their future, such as in society and in workplace. Since workplace wants their employees to have a habit of being honest and also having a critical thinking skill, it will be very difficult for these students who don't have integrity to be able to survive in society. Therefore, my recommendation as a researcher so that students can have academic integrity is to implement strict policies on the importance of academic integrity. This is so that they can learn about the importance of academic integrity and make it as a habit that can carry it on to their future and in their workplace and in society, so that they can survive. The second is for the study programs, as I mentioned before, to educate basic principles about academic integrity. This is so that students can know the purpose of academic integrity and the consequences that it will have if they don't practice it right now from school, so that they do not always rely on other people or rely on technology or rely on AI to do any of their assessments. So, for a quick Bible verse, as you can see, the main point is that as Christians, we need to practice how to be honest and truthful in every aspect that we do. It is better because it is better to be honest than to be dishonest about something. If we are more honest and truthful and have integrity, we will be more like Christ, like the character of God. Thank you for listening. God bless you.